this point where we have this web app on the right, the Django web app, right? It's on GitHub Codespaces with a nice login in the background. So on GitHub, you have a drop down on the right, basically. On your menu, choose Codespaces, and then after you choose Codespaces, you come to this page, see all, and then you use a template. You can choose Django, and you can have a blank or Flask or any. I'm gonna take Django. Then from there, you're gonna wait for a bit. It's loading the VS Code layout or IDE. And then you have the VS Code, and then the app starts off running there on the right. That's the default one. Then you have your terminal, and then you have the area where you have your pages, basically the current pages index. You have other pages. So on index, you're just going to change basically index, and then there I have the image source, but and I have style. I'm going to move that image into the back later on, so into views, so that it pulls from views instead, just like title over there. So then we have that image from the back basically now. So it was this before initially when you saw that default template. So it's from this. Then I updated it to this. Basically now I have video URL. Instead of having that video URL at the front, I have it here. So with that template, and then I just that URL, I just pass it here to the front. There it is as vid, and then you see that it's index, and then you have your views. There it is, it's vid. That's the in context. I pass it to here the front, and then that's all the code there is to it. And then except for the style, which is a bit longer, that's what I added. And then that's all you have to this app. It's right there. It operates properly, and then you have like your code spaces there.